Today I thought I'd do a quick follow-up video on this 3000 GT while I'm waiting for the oil to drain. It's my son's car and it's only driven in the summer. We used inexpensive regular body filler, lacquer primer surfacer, and urethane base coat clear coat pearl for the paint. In 2022 this car was sideswiped and totaled. We fixed the quarter with filler, replaced the door, and fixed the fender with filler. There's no cracking, peeling, sand scratches, or any other problems showing up. It was not buffed or wheeled out ever. Here's a close-up of that damaged quarter. We pulled it, got it as close as we could, and fixed the rest with filler. A close-up of the door, and again, this was replaced. Finally, a close-up of the fender. It was pushed in, we pulled it, got it as close as we could, and fixed the rest with filler. And one more close-up of the whole side. Also in 2022, we installed a custom bumper, which required a lot of fiberglass work and filler work. Again, after 4 years, no issues. In 2025, we did a video called How to Repair Fiberglass Auto Body Panels. It held up just fine, no cracking, peeling, filler falling out, and no sand scratches. Finally, in 2025, we did a video called Repairing Plastic Car Panels with JV Weld Plastic Bonder. I hope you enjoyed this brief follow-up on the 1997 3000 GT. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.